Hi, today I'm making a soap that is inspired by a beach in St. John's, a U.S. Virgin Island. My husband and I had the opportunity to visit it during our honeymoon, which was a gift from my mom. The waves were strong and they made all this foam at the edge of the beach that I wanted to capture in the soap. I wanted to use clear melt and pour as the sea foam. Tried 2 or 3 different methods, but they did not work. At last, I decided to pour the clear melt and pour on leftover straws as a way of recycling them as well. And I made a bunch of clear cylinders with them. I did not have enough though, so I also used an oval cutter to create more. After adhering them to a cavity mold, I pour white soap on top. Some of the clear cylinders melted slightly because of the temperature of the white soap. After this, I cut the block into 4 pieces, trying to create wavy curved shapes. Meanwhile, I 3D printed a screen to do the pull screen method in a similar pattern to the seafoam. I will say that a lot of work went into this soap, but hopefully I'm able to reuse some of these techniques in the future to make the process go faster. Once I had printed the screen, I placed it in the mold along with the clear pieces and got everything else ready. I will include the amounts and names of the colorants I used in the blog post, which will be linked in the description box below. Next, I measured the light water solution. I combined it with the oils and blended it until emulsion had been reached. At this point, I added the fragrance, Coco Cabana from Crafter's Choice, which smelled good out of the bottle, but actually I did not like it that much after. In hindsight, I should have done a small test of the fragrance or added it at the very end, and you'll see why in a few seconds. I started by pouring the white so that when I pull the screen it will create the white pattern of the seafoam. When I tried to pull the screen, a lot of the soap came up as well, so I tried to put it back by pressing it through. This created an interesting pattern on the surface of the soap, which was not bad, but it was not what I had in mind. I will show you next how it looked once the saponification process was complete. And here they are. So now it is time to remove it and cut the soaps into bars. So here are the final bars. I actually like how they looked, even though they were not what I had envisioned. Unfortunately, I did not like how the fragrance turned out. It's just not my cup of tea. Though I don't drink tea, so maybe it's not my cup of water. Anyway, thank you for stopping by. See you next time. Bye.